everyone, it's Michelle from the Manhattan-Elwood Public Library with another SIP Science experiment. Science you can do from home with things you have at home. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about the science of sound. To do this, we're going to need some balloons and we're going to need some roundish type objects. Here I have a marble, and we're also going to be using a hex nut. It's got 6 sides on it. We'll get to that a little bit later. So, to get started, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put your roundish item inside your balloon. Now when you're doing that, you want to make sure it goes all the way through the neck of the balloon and all the way to the bottom, because as we're blowing it up, we do not want to swallow it back into our mouths, inhale it into our mouths and then choke on it. So we want to make sure it goes all the way down into the body of the balloon, down here. Alright, next we're going to blow it up. We're all making funny faces, that's fine. Okay, you don't want to over inflate your balloon because then it'll pop and then the fun's over. Okay, now with this, that marble that you just saw me put in there was really small and really round, so there's not a lot of friction inside the balloon. So when I spin the balloon, it's going to make kind of a humming sound. Just kind of a buzz. Okay, now what I did in this balloon is I have a bigger marble. So let's see what we get with that. It's even smoother, less buzz. We're going to stir it in a circle. Hardly anything. Now, that was another smooth object, so it didn't have a lot of friction. Now this hex nut, as we saw, has lots of sides, so it's going to give us a little more friction and hopefully a little more noise. So here we go. Here's the hex nut. All right, there we go. So, not a lot of friction. A little bit of humming. Lots of friction. A little more of a scream. All right. Now this is fun and you can try this over and over again. Now if you like balloons, we are going to have some recommendations for stories with balloons in them after the video. Until next time, thanks for joining me.